Good evening, class. This is Clinton Poteet, and this is going to be my quiz review. So we'll start here. I didn't get full credit, and the reason why is this. It says, according to Martin versus Melton, slip copy, number that, Tennessee Court of Appeals, November 26, 2013, which of the following activities have Tennessee courts deemed to be ultra-hazardous activities requiring strict liability? Please select all that apply. Well, I have it pulled up right here. This is the case right here. Martin versus Melton. As you can see from right here. All of that matches up there. All of that matches up there as well. Now I went ahead and did a little re-reviewing, and we're just going to jump down to the footnotes here. It says, our Tennessee courts have several times made note of the inherent dangerousness of electricity. C. Bennett versus Trevica Nazarene University. If I butchered that pronunciation, forgive me. They have also classified certain activities as ultra-hazardous for the purposes of strict liability, including the carrying out of blasting operations, the storing of explosives or harmful chemicals, and the harboring of wild animals. Where I chose harboring wild animals, storing harmful chemicals, storing explosives, and blasting operations, where I went wrong was I chose working with electricity. Now, the case itself states that, electricity is dangerous, and as it even says here, our Tennessee courts have several times made note of the inherent dangerousness of electricity. It's wrong to choose electricity because it says, however, we have been unable to find any prior Tennessee case in which our courts have characterized dealing with electricity as an ultra-hazardous activity. So that was my mistake. I chose working with electricity despite it being inherently dangerous. It has not been classified as an ultra-hazardous activity requiring strict liability. From this case, Martin versus Melton, it's only blasting operations, storing explosives, storing harmful chemicals, harboring wild animals.